Okay, so good afternoon, each and everyone. So for today's video, my topic is all about packet tracer configure a wireless network. So the objective of this packet tracer is to connect to a wireless router, configure the wireless router, connect a wired device to the wireless router, connect a wireless device to the wireless router, add an AP to the network to extend wireless coverage, update default router settings. So the part one is step one, connect admin to WR. So I've already done it. I've connect the admin using the copper straight through. When the cursor changes, okay, so okay, next thing you will do is configure admin to use DHCP. To reach the WR management page, admin must communicate on the network. A wireless router usually includes a DHCP server, and the DHCP server is usually enabled by default on the LAN. Admin will receive IP address information from the DHCP server on click admin and select the desktop. So where's the admin? This one. Then go to desktop. Then click IP configuration, select DHCP because it is in static. We will change it to DHCP. Okay, so it is requesting an IP address, so it is successful. After that, close the IP configuration. The next thing is the step 3. Connect the WR web interface into the desktop tab on admin. Choose web browser. So let's go here. Let's find this web browser. Then we will enter the 192.168.0.1 URL. Okay, then let's go. Okay, for this we're gonna use admin, this one, and if it shows this authorization, we're gonna follow this step. Use admin for both username and password. So let's type admin. I'm sorry, should be little. I'm sorry. Admin, admin. Okay. So after that, under the network setup heading on the basic setup page, notice the IP address range for DHCP. Is the IP address range? The IP address. Oh, under this IP address 192.68. Step 4. Configure the internet port of WR. In this step, WR is configured to route to the packets from the wireless client to internet. You will configure the internet port on WR connect to the internet. Under the internet setup, let's go, okay. Internet setup, at the top of the basic setup, basic setup. Change the IP address method from automatic, this one, okay, to DHCP to static IP. Let's change it to static IP. Okay, so for then type the IP address to be assigned to the internet interface as follows. For the internet IP address, this one, this part, we're gonna put this 209.165.200, 209.165.200 to for the subnet mask, we're gonna put 255. Okay, we're gonna put this one 255 255 255 then 252. 252. Always check if your input is correct. The next one is the default gateway. We will do is we're gonna put the 209.165. Sorry, 209.165. Then 200. Then 226. Then for the DNS server is 209.165. 201.1. Okay, after that, scroll down page and click save settings. So after doing that, we'll just save it. Okay. Then after save settings, note if you get a request timeout. Yes, I've get the request timeout, as you can see here. If you get a request timeout message, close the admin window and wait for the orange light to turn into green. Triangles. Click the fast forward button to make this happen faster. Then reconnect the WIR. Admin browser using the process explained in step 3. Okay, so it's already green. Let's go back to, and after that, configure the wireless settings. In this activity, you will only configure the wireless settings for 2.4 gigahertz. So configure the WRSSID. Navigate to WR GUI interface at 192 point in the web browser. Okay. Okay, in the web browser on admin. So you're gonna type again the 192.168.0.1. Then let's go. Again, let's type admin for username and password. Admin again. Then okay. Then it shows. Okay, so let's continue. So for the part 2, configure the wireless setting. So we're gonna go to the configure the WRSSID. So as you can see, here is our those devices, and then we're gonna navigate to the WRGUI interface at 192.168.0.1 in a web browser and admin. So we're gonna click here in admin. Then we're gonna go to desktop. Then go here web browser. Then we're gonna put again the 192.168.0.1, and let's click the go button. Then okay, we're gonna go back again and we're gonna use the admin as username and password. Okay, so okay, that's it. Then navigate to wireless. Let's click the wireless. Go to basic wireless settings. Oh, this is it. This is the basic wireless settings. So it is said here the change network SSID to a company, to a Cisco 123. Go. It is the Cisco 123. Okay, so I will just then repeat the above steps in the laptop to the wireless network. Okay, so I'm gonna show you again what I've done while ago. It is here in the PC wireless. Sorry, but the PC wireless connect. I just connect it, refresh. Gonna connect to the a company connect. We're gonna put the C exclamation point. Then we're gonna connect. Okay, it is connected. The thing that we've done here, we're gonna do it also to the laptop too, for it to be connected in our WR. Desktop, PC wireless, connect, refresh for us to see the network. So here is the network, a company, connect. I'm gonna type again the passphrase, it is exclamation point, connect. Let's check. It is connected now. And then, and also, okay. And the next thing that we will do, we're gonna go to the part reconnect wireless clients on access points. An access point is a device that extends a wireless local area network. An access point is connected to a wired router using an Ethernet cable to project the signal to this location. Configure the access point. Connect port 0 of AP to an available A. Port 0 with the available Ethernet. Let's try Ethernet too. Okay, using a straight through Ethernet cable. Straight. Then after that, click AP. After clicking AP, select the config tab. After going to config tab, in the heading, select port 1. For the port 1, in the SSID field, enter a company. SSID field here. You can enter A, which is Cisco 123, the password which is exclamation point. Connect. After connecting, open the web browser in the laptop. Wait a minute, but why it is not connected? Here, do the repeat. Yes, that's it. And also, as you can see, there are two types of a company here or the internet. But you will check the signal if who has the most or if who has the most highest pick of signal, you will connect in that path. Okay. After that, change the okay. Let's go to the part 4, other administrative tasks. Change the password. Change the WR access password on admin. Navigate to Jewelry. Okay. I'm gonna go again to the web browser. I go here, gonna click again 192. 192.168.0.1. Then we're gonna go, okay, put again admin as the username. Always remind it because very easy to remind those. Okay, admin. Okay, then we're here. After that, we're going to administration. Go into administration, then router password to Cisco. Change the router password to Cisco. We will change it this way. Cisco. Cisco. Okay, so let's continue. So here we already changed the password to Cisco. Then we're gonna scroll down to the bottom part to save the settings. Again, for the authorization, let's put admin. Then click OK. Again, admin. Okay. Okay. So I'm sorry. I didn't understand the thing here. This user will be admin. Okay, sorry. User will be admin, and the password will be Cisco. That's it. Okay. Settings are successful. Okay, let's just continue. Move on to the next step. The next thing we will do is step to change the DCP, the DHCP address range in WR. In this step, you will change the internal network address from 192.168.0.0-24 to 192.168.50.0-24. So we will just change the 0 here to 50. When the LAN network access address changes, the IP address on the device in the LAN and must be renewed to receive new IP addresses before the list is timed out. Navigate to Setup, Basic Setup. Okay, so let's add this one. Let's open it again. Oh, okay, we're gonna change it here. This part. We're gonna use 192.168.50.0-24. Just taken. Let's look. Request timeout. Navigate to setup, basic setup. Okay, so we're gonna put first the previous 192.168.0.1. Let's go. Admin Cisco. Okay, so maybe in this part we're gonna change it. Setup, basic setup here in this part, and then scroll down to network setup. This one. The router IP is 192. Change it to 192.168.50.1. Verify that the IP address still start at 100.100 and there are 50 available IP address in the add 209 at DNS. This, I think it is this one, static DNS. Now add 209 at 165 the 201.1. I think it is in this part. Then after putting that, let's save the settings. Go in this part, save, okay. So at the DNS server, save settings. Then note that it is close the admin web browser in admin desktop, click the command prompt, admin, command prompt, and then type ipconfig renew, ipconfig dash renew. Am I right? Invalid command. Why is invalid? Command of ipconfig. Maybe it has a dash name. Okay. The next thing that we will do is reactivate the IP address in the HP. So what is the new? I don't know. Okay, so it was all connected. And that was all. I hope you've learned something about this video and thank you so much for giving your time and effort in watching this video. Thank you and goodbye.